Welcome back to our Magratech Boom Kit installation series. In our last video, we explored the unpacking and inspection of the Magratech manifolds. Today, we'll be focusing on the Magratech Flow Distributor Kit. Start by unpacking and laying out all the parts on the table for inspection. This kit is crucial for ensuring the correct flow of liquid through each manifold. Every kit includes all the plumbing parts needed for either one stack of 8 or 2 stacks of 4. It's designed to be comprehensive and suited to your specific needs. The kit includes inlet and outlet hose barb options for 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, and 2 inches. The Flow Distributor plumbing configuration is designed to ensure the correct flow of liquid through each manifold and assemble, whether 4-stack or 8-stack, optimizing your Magratech system's efficiency. Please refer to the manual to ensure you have the correct configuration. In our next video, we will look at additional components required for installing a Magratech Boom Kit system.